As we're approaching the evening hours, getting closer to the midnight hour tonight, partly cloudy to mostly clear. It's a spotty chance at best as you're going into the eastern UP very early on into Wednesday morning. Still thinking the majority of us will have a lot of dry time to work with, at least throughout the rest of our Tuesday. Even going into Wednesday morning as well, I think we're going to start the day off on a dry note, but this is going to be the cold front. You see just a few specks of green there as we're approaching the noon hour, getting into the afternoon hours of your Wednesday. And watch what happens as we're going throughout time, getting later into the afternoon. By the evening hours, we do start to see a few more showers and storms starting to blossom up. Now, this will be along a passing cold front as we're going towards this time tomorrow. So coverage is going to be a little bit more isolated, but where we do see a few of those darker reds on the map, a few stronger storms, not going to be completely out of the question. We're not expecting a big severe weather outbreak, but a few storms that do manage to develop could still pack a punch. Heavy rainfall, some gusty winds, maybe some smaller hail. Not going to be completely out of the question there. But once we get past that little hiccup as we're going later into the day on Wednesday, we're right back to cruising control as we're going into our weather pattern as we get into the day on Thursday. Should be another mostly dry day, working in a little bit more sunshine for you there. So here's a look at the chance for some rain and a few storms later into the day on Wednesday by the afternoon and evening. Mostly dry Thursday, and we still do have a few more chances for some showers and storms we're going to have to keep a closer eye on as we're getting towards the 4th of July there on Friday and even getting into the upcoming weekend. As of right now, no washouts, but with a lot of outdoor festivities, fireworks shows, whatever it might be going on, something we will be paying closer attention to as we do approach the upcoming holiday weekend. Let's get your live weather stations out there right now. Pickford, it's still a warm day for you. Current temperature right there, 80 degrees. And Everett, well, you're hanging out right there near 80 degrees too. So yes, very warm Tuesday afternoon. And we're still going to be talking about the mild conditions for yet another night. Here's where we'll go for the overnight period. Upper 50s, low 60s. Mostly clear skies. Again, it's a spotty chance at best into the eastern UP. I think a lot of us are still going to be mostly dry as we take you past the midnight hour tonight. We'll be watching Wednesday later into the afternoon, evening hours. Again, the cold front moving in from the north. That still could spark up a few isolated showers and storms. But in between anything we do see set up, it's really going to be a mostly dry day as we even go into the day on Wednesday. But just with a lot of outdoor festivities for tomorrow, we just want to let you know about that chance. Same deal in the western lower. We'll talk about the afternoon and evening. A few pop-up style showers and storms out of the question. Temperatures here a little bit warmer as we're going into your Wednesday afternoon, probably at least including a few more low to even some mid-80s. Same deal as we take you towards the sunrise side, eastern lower. It's a good mix still here of plenty of 80s. West wind will keep you at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. And last but not least, central lower, even into some of our central counties a little bit farther south. It's still a warmer day with still a lot of numbers here. 85 looks to be a fairly common number as we take you there into the afternoon. Now, the muggy meter, the amount of humidity, you'll still notice it, not going to be as oppressive as what we've talked about in days previous, but still your dew points hanging out right there closer to 60 degrees by the time we're getting into Wednesday afternoon. There you go into the next 7 days. We'll watch later into the day on Wednesday, into the afternoon and evening for a few pop-up showers and storms, mostly dry Thursday. Small chances into the 4th of July, Aaron, and into the weekend, but we're also going to be talking about the heat, 80s if not some 90s.